So I've been using this Augio since I got to the hackathon. So I met Pavel, one of the developers, and he showed me how you can just scan small portions of your location to make as anchors. And I really love that. And I want to see how good it's going to do at night. So I'm going to try and scan the porch and see how it does. I'll share my findings. So the thing you do before you actually do a scan is you make a location. So I have big hollow green. I'm creating an anchor. I'm gonna put the anchor like right at the center of the stairs. Now I can just scan it. You know, it's scanning with the snow, so we'll see how it does as the snow melts. But you never know. It's looking at the overall geometries and finding as many waypoints and spatial anchors that it can associated with this one location. So I can just kind of really get it scanned and then finish. So now I'm actually approve in my anchor and call it front porch. Uploading it, and then I'll have to approve it one more time. It's really fast. Okay, let's go to review location. Now it's going to try to find it based on what I already scanned, and boom, it found it right away. Sees the anchor point right in the center of the stairs. Save location, finish. It's approved. And that's how quick you can make an Augio anchor. And you bring it into Unity, and then you can start to make a project. We'll go over that too. Okay, so the first thing I had to do was get into my aug.io CMS and make an experience, and that's when you'll be able to find it in Unity. So I made a big hollow green. I added my location. I made the app by hitting this plus sign. You get a list of your locations, associated it, and then when I got into Unity, I was able to pull it in with the Unity editor program. Just went in here and it showed up, and then when I go in here to get more information, I first went in here and I hit download mesh. It's been mesh downloaded, so when you first make your experience and associate your location, download that mesh, and then you can hit update scene from server, and yeah. And so the thing to know about a scene is once you import it into your project, you can see here's the porch. You can make objects. So for everything you're going to put this, you're going to make a new object. So you can go here, and here I'm going to just put a hologram. Model representation. You can put something to represent it, whatever. Anchor. Use that anchor, and then create it. So if I go under my experience, now I have this hologram. It's going to go right at the anchor's location. So I can zoom in on that. Now anything that I put under here, I'm going to have to synchronize to the server. So let's just put a quick prefab on here. Maybe let's see, a globe. Alright, so it's kind of big. Alright, it is big, so I'm going to break it down. Shrink it down. Let me look on top and see where it actually is. Alright, I'm going to put it actually on the porch. You know, let's look at it from the front view. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Just a little floating earth right there by the anchor. Alright, so now that I have that set up, I'm going to go into my Unity editor plugin. I'm going to refresh, and now you see I have it in the scene, the hologram, and I'm going to upload local changes to the server. So now this is going to tell the project that it has a hologram in it, or a new object. Here's our object. Go back in here, just refresh, update scene server. You don't really need that. I guess you have multiple people working on it. You can update it. Alright, we have an object, we have a location. That's everything we need to really go try it out. Alright, let's just go and build it and we'll take a look if it works. We got the app built and I'm gonna start it from the ground where I started the scan. Oh, and there it is. Oh, it looks so good. Little Earth hologram. Pretty stable too.
Nice, hold on, let me get it. Video.
Yep. So basically that's a full hologram placed stably from the anchor made by Aug.io. And it also occludes you. I can actually see you in front of the hologram. Makes it look even more realistic.
Nice.
Very cool. There it is. That's the full cycle, folks.
Can you do a screenshot?